That's going to be the key that opens your new apartment door.
Go into your unit, okay?
Okay. I can put this anywhere I want.
Yes.
We got a house.
Yay!
Imagine a Los Angeles where every resident has a place to call home. Hi, I'm Sheree Todoroff, and I'm the Director of the Homeless Initiative for Los Angeles County. Thank you for taking the time today to attend today's meeting. The homelessness crisis in Los Angeles is a result of decades of failed policies, economic factors, and systemic racism. The challenge at hand is more complex than any one entity can solve alone. We must work together in partnership to address homelessness. The purpose of today's meeting is to listen to you, to hear your concerns, your input, and your recommendations, so that we can work together to solve homelessness in Los Angeles County. The discussion today will help inform our funding recommendations for homeless services and housing in the coming year. With your input and support, we can move closer to ensuring that everyone in our county has a place to call home. Thank you for being here today and for sharing your voice.